which is the best part of the class that you like?
Learning from you. The thing I like about the class is that our friends are very nice. The second thing is I get to learn something new. The third thing is the teacher is very nice.
The things I learned from teacher in your class are to be confident to talk, to write my own speech, and to present my speech.
Excellent. And the best part?
Is I got to learn about my friends and their interests.
I like to play the quiz and I like everything at this class. Students, even the teacher, you are all very kind, very nice and very kind and very friendly, very good. I really enjoy the whole class. The best part I got about the class is about the teacher. The teacher is very kind.
Second is teacher, your dedication to teach us and help us learn public speaking. And for third is our motivation, which you give us confidence, how to stand like a champion, hand gestures,